find its limit. So in part A, we got limit of x squared minus 4x over x cubed plus 3x as x tends to 0. We simply plug in x equals 0. Unless we divide by 0, we get answer in one line. So when we get dividing by 0 or 0 over 0, then we need to do more work. Let's see. When we plug in 0, 0 squared is 0 minus 4 times 0. 0 minus 0, just 0. On the bottom, 0, just 0. So we got 0 over 0 here. That's not bad. All we have to do is now factor the top, factor the bottom, and cross out the 0 making factor, which is x by itself. Okay, so we need to simplify this fraction. Simplify means factor, and cross out. So on the top we can factor x out, that leaves x minus 4. On the bottom we can factor x, that leaves x squared plus 3. Okay, now this x outside we can cancel. Now let's plug in. Unless we get 0 over 0, we should be fine. So 0 minus 4, that's negative 4 on the top. 0 squared is 0 plus 3, just 3. So negative 4/3. Negative on the top or on the bottom, we always pull to the front. So negative 4/3 is the limit. Okay, let's do part B. Same thing, just plug in x equals 2. Unless we get 0 on the bottom, we are good. So 2 squared 4 minus 2 times 2, 4. 4 minus 4, 0 on the top. 2 squared 4 minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. So this is also 0. So we have again 0 over 0. So like in part A, all we have to do is simplify. Simplify means factor the top, factor the bottom if possible, and cross out the common factors. So on the top, like here, we can factor x out, that leaves x minus 2. But on the bottom, this is x squared minus x minus 2, a quadratic trinomial. When it factors as a product of two binomials. So x squared x, 2, the only way it factors is 2 times 1 to get negative in the middle. So negative goes to the bigger, plus 1. So x minus 2, x plus 1. Now x minus 2 cancel. In fact, this is the 0 making factor. When we plug in x equals 2, these two factors become 0. Okay, now we cross that out. All we have to do next is plug in x equals 2. So 2 on the top over 2 plus 1, 3. So 2/3 final.